All right, got another one for y'all. This one we're gonna just see if there's any difference with the Remington Accutips and 450 Bushmaster on the elevation, what the difference is from 25 yards and 100 yards out, seeing if there's anything on there. Now these on the box, they do have it that basically at the muzzle they're -2.5, so we're gonna put that to the test and see what the difference is sighted in at 100 yards and if it's shooting low at 25. So stay tuned. Alright, so yeah, we're shooting a little to the left. Anyways, we'll move up to 25. We'll move up to 25 now and see if there's a height jump. And I'm going to go ahead and make some clicks and get this shoved over to the right. I mean to the left a little. Alright, here we go. We're at 25 yards and we're going to see if there's a jump on the elevation, any going up and down. Alright, here we go. As you see, that one hit a little bit low. These do out the muzzle, they're actually saying it's -2.5 out the muzzle. So here you go at 25 yards. We are shooting low as expected. So if something does come in, say if you're taking a headshot on a hog, you know, you're sitting, your feeder's out at 100 yards, that's what you got your rifle sighted in on, and a hog comes in at about 20 yards. Just remember, when you're taking that shot and you're taking a headshot and you're going for the ear, 2.5 inches could be enough. If you wiggle, I'd say if you're not 100% stable, you know, because hunting, you're gonna, you know, you're not shooting from a rest. That 2.5 inches or whatever, that right there, you end up popping it in the jaw, and basically you just fed the coyotes is all you did. And that's it. So there you go. Just to know if it's coming in close, 25 yards or so, aim for the top of the head maybe. That way you'll pop them in the head. So there you go. Thanks for watching Bohemian Hunting Club. Yeah.